Hello and welcome to another Meditate with me. I am joining you today to lead you in a relaxing body scan meditation. I think it's one of the favorite meditations I'm always told when I guide it live at one of my classes. So I hope you will enjoy this one. So without further ado, feel free to find a comfortable position. As always, sitting down, lying down, standing, any position that's comfortable, where your back is straight, body relaxed. And perhaps if it's comfortable to you, you can close your eyes. Closing the eyes is helpful. It helps us turn inwards and fully experience our body and our mind, our heart in the present moment. And if you prefer, of course, feel free to keep your eyes open as long as you don't stare into the screen or anything else. Just keep your gaze relaxed and soft. Just settling in, taking a couple of deep breaths. Through the nose or through the mouth. Just letting the body settle and relax with the breath. Perhaps noticing the feet on the ground, the body supported by the seat, the place where the hands touch the surface they're on. Just getting grounded, getting connected to the surface you're on. If any distractions are happening, sounds in the background, thoughts, emotions arise. During today's meditation, you can just let them pass naturally. No need to follow them. With the next breath, simply return to the body, to relaxation, to letting go of any stress and tension. Just taking a few more breaths. Letting the body be heavy. Letting it be supported fully. We'll start by noticing sensations around the head, around the scalp, all around in the back of the head and sides of the head, the top of the head. And then moving on to the face area, the forehead, the brow. Just relaxing letting the brow become relaxed, unfurrowing the brow. And perhaps inviting a slight smile into the eyes and letting all the muscles around and behind the eyes relax as well. Moving down to the mouth, to the lips, to the chin and the cheeks. Letting the jaw unclench, let it drop. Breathing in relaxation and breathing out any tension you might notice in the entire head and face and jaw area. Just taking time to relax all the small muscles you find in these areas. And moving attention down to the neck, throat, and shoulders. And letting muscles there relax naturally. Letting the shoulders drop down from the ears. And just noticing, relaxing. And slowly moving lower towards the arms. Letting the arms be heavy wherever they are resting. Letting the arms rest, the hands rest, relax. And noticing sensations, upper arms, elbows, lower arms, wrists, and then in the hands, and including every finger. And perhaps there's little sensation, or there's some tingling, itching. Perhaps there's warmth. Whatever sensations you notice in the body, they are welcome today. They are invited. With the next breath, shifting attention to the back, from the upper area of the back, the shoulder blades, down the spine, all the way to the lower back. Noticing sensation, relaxing. Breathing in to the back area and breathing out any tension you may be feeling there. Moving towards the front of the body, letting the chest relax, letting the belly relax and soften, so that the next breath can fill up entire chest and belly like a balloon. And then releasing the slow out breath. And releasing any tension that may be present there. A softening, relaxing the belly. Moving lower to the lower belly, the hips, the seat. And just noticing how the seat is supporting the body. Noticing the weight of the body. Just relaxing into the position you're in. Relaxing the upper legs, the knees, and the lower legs. Letting the body relax all the way to the feet. Not forcing it, just letting it relax on its own by not doing anything, by taking a break. And then sensing your feet and anything that may be present there. Perhaps there's a bit of pressure, warm, tingling. Noticing again the contact of the feet to the surface you're on. And breathing, imagining relaxation entering through your nose or mouth, and just moving downwards through the lungs, through the belly, through the legs, all the way to the feet. And with the out breath, imagining any tension, any stress, just simply leaving the body all the way from the feet, up the legs, through the belly, to the lungs, and out the mouth, or out the nose, and leaving the body. Just breathing in relaxation, the calm and stillness, relaxing the body, calming the mind, and breathing out any tension, stress, or worries out of the body and out of the mind. I invite you to practice this in silence for a short while, just breathing in and out. Letting the whole body be as relaxed as it can be today. Letting the mind be as calm as it can be today. And letting the heart be as still and peaceful as it can be today. Breathing in, relaxing. Breathing out, releasing any tension. It's possible that you decided to have a little bit of rest or nap. In that case, I simply invite you to stay in the position you're in. Keep your eyes closed and feel free to drift off to sleep if that's what you need. And otherwise, if you're ready to return to your surroundings and activities, you can slowly move your fingers and toes. Perhaps take a few deep breaths. Slowly open the eyes, letting the light in. Thank you for joining me for this relaxing body scan today. I hope you enjoyed it. And of course, I appreciate if you let me know in comments how it made you feel. I hope to see you again soon. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. And I hope you find a lot of time to simply relax, rest, let yourself simply be. You don't have to hurry everywhere all the time. Take care and goodbye for now.